In the context of learning and behavior, fluency refers to the ability to perform a learned behavior quickly, smoothly, and accurately, often as a result of practice and repeated reinforcement. It is commonly used as a measure of learning and mastery of tasks, but it can also be used as a useful tool for measuring forgetting, which is the process previously learned behaviors or information become less accessible and less accurate over time. When we talk about forgetting, we typically refer to the decline in the ability to recall or demonstrate previously learned behaviors or information. Forgetting can happen for various reasons, including interference, disuse, or passage of time. If the fluency level decreases over time, this suggests that forgetting may have occurred. Thus, fluency can serve as an indirect measure of forgetting. It's 4 steps to using fluency to measure forgetting. The first step, establishing fluency at initial learning. The subject will learn a specific task and fluency measures would be taken. For example, you might train a rat to press a lever for food, then measure how quickly and consistently it presses the lever in the given period. Next, we introduce a period of delay or inactivity. You will allow a period of time during which the subject either doesn't practice the behavior or has a delay in the exposure to the stimulus or context. For example, after a few weeks without practicing math or a few days without the lever in the rat's cage, the fluency is expected to decrease if forgetting has occurred. Next, we have measuring fluency after the delay. After the delay, you will have the subject perform the same task again and measure the fluency. If the fluency has decreased, the behavior is slowed or less accurate than before, this would suggest that forgetting has taken place. And lastly, we compare the fluency over time. The key to using fluency to measure forgetting is to track changes in the fluency of the behavior over time. Now we have different examples of fluency being used to measure forgetting. Animal learning. A rat trained to press a lever in a Skinner box to receive food, and its behavior is measured in the terms of fluency, how many lever presses occurred in a fixed period of time. Then we have the post-delay testing. After a certain period without the lever is reintroduced. Second, we have human learning. A student learns a list of words or a set of math problems. After the delay, the student is asked to recall the words or solve the math problems again. Next, we have motor skill. A person practices typing a set of sentences, and their typing speed is recorded as the fluency measure. After several weeks or months without typing practice, the person is asked to type the same set of sentences again. In conclusion, the context of the textbook Chance and Furlong 2022, forgetting is viewed as a gradual loss of learned behavior or information due to the lack of reinforcement or exposure. For example, in animal studies, fluency can be used to observe how quickly a rat presses a lever after a period of non-reinforcement, or in human studies to measure how well a learned skill or piece of information is retained over time.